It's spreading across the country like a wildfire on the run. They're picking them up and putting them down. It's spreading across the country like a wildfire on the run. They're picking them up and putting them down. People having fun. So once you get her going, boys, it's gonna be hard to stop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It started down in Newfoundland, a cold December night. Jenny played the squeeze box, the wind blew out the light. We dragged the girls up on the floor and wouldn't let them stop. They started jumping up and down, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. They tell me up in Ottawa the government fell asleep, but Brian Tobin went to town, said now listen to me. Forget the cabinet shuffle, John, I think we've had enough. Get everybody on the floor, we're doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. There's Tony from St. Anthony and there's Betty from the Bight. They're out there on the dance floor having fun tonight. The hell with work, tomorrow's short, tonight we're gonna romp. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. It's up and down and in and out and up and down again. Shout and scream as loud as you can, just like the Newfie wind. Around and round and round you go until the music stops. Dance your feet right out of your boots, we're doing a Newfie Stomp. It's stomp, 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 stomp until you drop. 'Cause everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. Yes, everybody's doing it, doing a Newfie Stomp. 2, 3, 4. Catch the fish and bring them on to Lizer.
Hey dancers, we are doing the Newfie Stomp because March is coming and we want to add it to our playlist, of course, to celebrate St. Patty's Days, and we love to throw the Newfie Stomp into this playlist. So here comes the breakdown for you. So you have 2 heel taps with the right, you switch to 2 heel with the left, comes back, a single, 1, 2, and hold. So those are your heels, right? 3 singles for a clap, clap with your hands. You're going to continue with a cha-cha or shuffle forward. That is right and right. Forward rock recover with the left, rock recover. Back with the left for coaster. Right goes forward again for a rock recover. Now your right foot is free to do a shuffle 360 turn. That is right and right, left and left. Your back to the front, put the body weight on your left foot. We're going to continue with sailors. In this case, the first one, your right foot goes back. 1, 2, 3, as your sailor moves. You're going to do it again with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to turn in an angle. In this case, kind of like 11 o'clock or to your left side. It's not a quarter turn. You are in an angle to 11 o'clock. You did a sailor, your left foot got the body weight. You're going to do steps, starting with the right, step left. Your right foot is going to do a sailor back, turning to your right side angle, kind of like to 1 o'clock, step, 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 again in an angle, not a quarter turn. You're going to do another 2 steps, this time with the left foot, step, step, sail your back with the left foot to 9 o'clock or a complete quarter turn, 1, 2, and 3 to be on a full wall. We continue with your stomp. That is forward, forward, back, back. And you're going to do a hop, kind of like right, left, right, left. So 4 of those. So that's right, left, right, left. So that will be step together, step together, step together, step together. You have an option to do a twist, 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 twist. So 4 of those with your heels, okay? Or you can jump. From there, you're going to do a Lindy, which you should know as well. It's you shuffle to the right, cross back, recover, and shuffle to the left, cross back, recover. We're going to continue with a rock, recover, 3/4 or 3-wall turn, right? So that's right foot goes forward, recovers. We're going to do a 3-wall turn with a 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay, so your right foot is forward. You rock, recover with the left, and coaster back with the left. Left comes back to the front. We're going to hop to the right and hop to the left. We're done. So here we go. Let's do now the whole sequence, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 heels, and single for 1 and 2 and hold, clap, clap. Shuffle with the right, rock, recover left, coaster back, rock with the right, and here's your circle, 2 rights, 2 left, sail your back with the right, sail your with the left, turn into an angle, 2 steps, right, left, turn into an angle, left, step and step, turn to the next wall, stomp, 1, 2, 3, and 4, side, 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 and Lindy. Shuffle, shuffle, rock back, shuffle, shuffle, rock back. Rock with the right, rock, 3 walls for a 1, 2, 3 steps, rock forward with left, coaster back, and hop, and hop. Yes? Let's try it with a count. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and tag, and tag. All right, so that little hop side to side at the end is kind of the tag. It happens at the end when you do the last coaster. Also, there is another longer tag after you hear the song saying 1, 2, 3, 4, up. So the tag is got into the dance starts all over again. So we'll practice to that when we put the music on. Also, quick reminder, it's a 2-wall dance. So every time that you do your 3/4 turn, they are done normally either looking this way or looking that way, which means that when you do your 3/4 turn, the first one is from here, you go into a 3, start, 1, 2, 3. Now you end up in the other side of your screen in this case, right? And then you start the dance again. So 3/4 turn, either you're facing away from the screen or you're facing to the screen. That was the first one. The second 3/4, so you know, you're going to rock there, your 3/4 turn, 1, 2, 3, it's now back to the screen. Hopefully that helps. Have fun, but we're going to be practicing this in class, so join us and we'll keep on dancing. See you later.
It's spreading across the country like a wildfire on the run. They're picking them up and putting them down, people having fun. So once you get